Okay, next sum, same sum, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on up to 10 terms. Up to 10 terms. Okay. Here, number of terms equal to 10. Okay, so 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on. This is the given arithmetic progression. Okay, what do you want? We want to summation of this type of terms up to 10. Okay, up to 10 terms. Okay, so that means here first term is 1 by 15 and find out the common difference a2 minus a1. This is second term, this is first term. a2 minus a1 means 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Okay, so LCM of 12 and 15, they are divisible with 3, 3 4s are 3 5s, so that equal to 60. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60. 12 how much are 60? 5s are 5 1s are 5. 15 how much are 60? 4s are 4 1s are 4. That equal to 1 by 60. So the common difference equal to 1 by 60. Now we have to substitute them. Okay, what do you want? We want to find summation of 10 terms. So Sn, sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we don't know last term. Okay, so you use this one. If you know last term, you use simply n by 2 into a plus l. That's enough. Okay, so here S, how many terms? Summation 10. So 10 by 2 into 2a means 1 by 15. 1 by 15 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into d equal to 1 by 6. That equal to 5 into 2 by 15 plus, okay, 9 into 1 by 6. That equal to 5 into, okay, 2 by 15 plus 3 3s are 3 20s, so 3 by 20. So LCM of 15 and 20. Both are divisible by 5, 3 and 4. 4 3s are 12, okay, 12 5s are 60. Okay, so that equal to 5 into 60 is the LCM. 50 how much is 60? 4 2s are 8 plus 20 how much is 60? 3s are 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. That equal to 5 into 5 into, okay, 8 plus 9, totally 17 by 60. 5 1s are 5, 12. So that equal to 17 by 12. 17 by 12. So this is the summation of first 10 terms in the given progression. Okay. Now this is in improper, converting into mixing. 12 1s are 12, that equal to 5 by 12. So S10 equal to 5 by 12. You have to do same question up to 11 terms. That is for work. Next one, second sum of the same exercise. 7 plus 10 and 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on up to 84. Up to 84. That means here you know first term 7 and last term 84. First term 7 and last term L equal to 84. Do you know how many terms from 7 to 84? We don't know. So here n value is not given. Okay, you have to find out the value of n first. And here d equal to common difference a2 minus a1, that equal to 10 and 1 by 2. That means 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus a1 means 7. So simply LCM 2 7s are how much? 14. 21 minus 14 means 7 by 2. Here d equal to 7 by 2. What do you want? we want to find out the summation of terms from 7 to 84. That means we have to find out Sn equal to n by 2 into, do you know first term? Yes, 7. Do you know last term? Yes, you know last term also. What is that? 84. That means a plus n. A plus n. First term plus last term. Okay, so here yes, n we don't know by 2 into first term a plus last term 84. Now what do you want? We want to find out the value of n. Okay, how? Very simple. You know last term here L equal to, that means an, nth term equal to 84. So let us consider the last term be nth term, that equal to 84. So already you know the formula for nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 84. Here a equal to 7, a 7 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 84. Okay, this is plus 7 of transposition, it becomes minus 7. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equal to 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7, that equal to 77. So n minus 1 equal to 77. Here 7 by 2 of transposition, you write their reciprocal. 7 1s are 7 11. So n minus 1 equal to 20. 11 2s are 22. Therefore n equal to 22 minus 1 of transposition plus 1. So n equal to 20. 22 plus 1, that equal to 23. Okay. So we know the value of n also. Here n equal to, so n equal to 23. Substitute it. So 23. So terms from 7 to 84 are 23. So that equal to 23 by 2 into 91. Okay. So the product of 23 into 91. 23 into 91. Okay. So find out the product and divided by 2. The product of 23 into 91, that equal to 2096. Okay, 2093. So 2093 by 2, that equal to 1046. 1046. Half of the 2093. 1046.5. So this is the summation of the terms from 7 to 84.